Yoga is the calming down the fluctuations of consciousness. When the five senses, along with the mind, remain still and the intellect is not active, that is known as the highest state. They consider yoga to be firm restraint of the senses. Then one becomes undistracted, for yoga is the arising and the passing away. Be equal-minded in both success and failure. Such equanimity is called yoga. It is said in the treatises on yoga, yoga is the means of perceiving reality. Let yoga bring a true nature and reflection upon your life.